Welcome to the virtual relaunch of our new city park. This brings together an impressive and contemporary set of park amenities in one of Sunrise's original neighborhoods. Located at 6600 Sunset Strip, set on 5.5 beautiful acres, this is one of the first parks in Sunrise. This space has been entirely reimagined, and it delivers fun, fitness, and entertainment for residents of all ages. This new city park was funded by park bonds overwhelmingly approved by you, the Sunrise voters. And all of those funds were dedicated to improving our parks throughout the entire city. This and all our other park improvements are part of our long-term vision to inspire a connected and engaged community. With the adjacent Village Multipurpose Center and the upcoming Village Art Plaza and the miles of bike lanes connecting Sunrise east and west, north and south, this city park is the latest example that shows how you live, work, and play in the city of Sunrise.
From the moment you enter City Park, the 140 yards of open green space offers a welcoming spot to read a book, play catch, or practice yoga. The expansive multi-purpose field lends itself to family outings to kick a ball around, play a game of tag, or simply lay out a blanket to enjoy the day. What's more, the size of the field offers future opportunities for Sunrise to be the hub for hosting outdoor concerts, community events, and city festivals in an open-air environment. Whether you're looking to kick back, get moving, or simply enjoy the day in the heart of your community, City Park is the place to be.
Our new quarter-mile walking path is a perfect setting for that leisurely stroll or for achieving a fitness record. Mix up that heart-friendly cardio by stopping in at one of our 7 outdoor stations, which encourage a variety of approachable, muscle-building movements spaced along the walking path. Many of the fitness amenities have been designed with wheelchair accessibility as well. It's our hope that these park features promote friendly competition for those who enjoy a challenge, as well as to encourage multi-generational health and wellness. We are acknowledging the diversity of Sunrise with amenities that welcome families, working professionals, and senior citizens alike. While mornings are popular for a jog, we thought ahead, and we included bright and sustainable LED lighting to enable a safe, pleasant experience in the evening hours as well.
Our 2 newly resurfaced regulation tennis courts provide an outstanding environment for all skill levels to engage in singles and doubles play. The fenced hard courts at this picturesque venue allow any resident to challenge a neighbor to a friendly game. Our amazing new covered basketball courts are sure to be a hit too. 3 full courts permit 5-on-5 games, and the 6 individual hoops with professional rims and backboards can be used for practice or smaller pickup games. These regulation striped and LED lit courts have traction surfacing that's sheltered from the elements to keep you cool and dry year-round.
City Park's new central eye-catching feature is a covered amphitheater stage. Thanks to a professional audio-visual system and modern green room, this venue is now capable of hosting performers for events and concerts that entertain Sunrise residents on the Great Lawn and throughout the park. We plan to welcome musicians, themed festivals, and community talent on the horizon. The full venue is expected to accommodate more than 1,000 patrons. This crown jewel of East Sunrise Entertainment will also have 2 new covered pavilions available for rent. Each of these spaces, outfitted with a gas grill, can be reserved for family birthdays or other special events, and are located adjacent to the playground, splash pad, and multi-purpose field.
We know that kids love City Park. Our incredible, engaging, and colorful new playground was built to meet national standards for physical education and safety. A water-resistant covering that blocks 97% of UV rays will allow children from ages 2 to 12 and their families to escape the South Florida heat under cool sunshade. Engineered for super durability, the play area includes more than 25 components to jump, spin, swing, climb, and laugh on. After a trip to the playground, kids can cool down in the soccer-themed splash pad. This child-friendly space is zero depth for water safety and has a dozen water features to delight fans of all ages and abilities.
The City of Sunrise has taken great care to make City Park future-ready by combining outstanding athletic amenities with the opportunity for world-class leisure and cultural activities. You'll be welcomed by 2 gates leading in from Sunset Strip, centrally located bike racks, and parking for up to 100 cars. We've thought through all of the details, including new indoor restrooms with touchless water savings features, baby changing stations, water fountains with eco-friendly bottle filling stations, and the latest security features, including emergency help stations. Throughout the grounds, you'll find several convenient benches, along with 5 picnic tables with integrated mosaic tile chess boards. All of these great amenities are free for all Sunrise residents. We'll see you there. For more information, please call the Leisure Services Department at 954-747-4600 or visit us online at sunrisefl.gov.